In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put two tables side by side in Google Docs. This is perfect for comparisons, before and after layouts, or any document where you want two structured sets of information to sit neatly next to each other. Start by opening your Google Doc and inserting a simple container table with two columns and one row. Go to Insert, choose Table, and pick a 2x1 layout. This table is just a framework that will hold the two real tables you want to display side by side. Click inside the container table so your cursor is active in the first cell. With the cursor there, insert your first table using Insert Table and select the size you need, maybe 3 columns by 4 rows or whatever fits your content. Because you inserted it while your cursor was inside the left cell, that table now lives inside that cell. Next, move your cursor to the right cell of the container table and repeat the process. Insert another table with the dimensions you want for the second set of information. Now you have two fully independent tables sitting side by side, each inside its own cell of the larger two-column table. At this point, adjust the widths as needed. You can drag the vertical border between the two container cells to give one side more space, or resize the columns inside each table individually. Keep an eye on your page margins so nothing wraps unexpectedly. To clean up the look, let's hide the border of the outer container table. Click anywhere on the edge of that larger table to select it. Then go to Format, choose Table, and open Table Options. In the Table Options panel, find the Color section. Here, you have two easy ways to hide the container border. Set the border width to 0 pt, which removes the line entirely, or change the border color to white so it blends into the page background. Either approach will make it appear as if the two inner tables are simply aligned side by side with no extra box around them. A few quick tips to finish. Make sure your cursor is inside the correct cell before inserting each inner table. If something lands in the wrong place, press undo and try again. If the two tables feel cramped, widen the container's middle divider or reduce column widths within the inner tables. And if you need extra breathing room, adjust cell padding and table options for a cleaner layout. That's it. Two tables perfectly side by side in Google Docs with a polished professional finish.